Alright, we're back on the apartment that had the high CO. I ordered a inducer motor, inducer plate, and a gasket, but in the parts breakdown there was no, let's say, restrictor plate. So we'll see if this inducer motor spins up to speed, because someone made that comment in the comments. Maybe the inducer motor's not spinning to speed.
Just setting the toilet. Good morning, Joe.
What's going on, Jack?
All right, bro. Hey.
What?
I don't want you to be a dick today.
Yeah, I seen that. I seen that.
Yeah.
I'm like, what the hell is that?
Yeah, no shit.
What are you doing there? We just need this one.
Just this one. I didn't know if you wanted to look at the exchanger.
No, I already did that.
Yeah, Scott kept touching that thing the last time. It was
Touching?
weird.
Oh, Scott's a weirdo. Let me see really quick. I want to see if this.
So how many no-cools did you have yesterday? Any?
Right. I had nothing yesterday.
I would have thought 74 degrees in freaking March.
That was nice.
Jeez, how do you get the darn thing out of there?
I gotta take the board out.
Am I going to short anything here? Let's unplug this. Is the heat on?
Hey. Oh, you sound great too.
Sure does seem like
Everybody's sick. Alright, well, if you don't feel good,
Well.
I got this handle. I got that. You're a funny girl. Hey, I am attempting to put one of those light fixtures together. Yeah, well, 50 million parts. It's all in Ethiopian. So, you know, Oh, I already thrown it out in the parking lot twice. No, really, my next lifetime, I'm gonna be a mechanical engineer. No, I got it, I figured it out. Oh, yeah, no shit, second's always easier.
Yeah, let me see that one.
Alright, I'll talk to you in a little while.
should go exactly like that.
All right. We just painted all the common areas,
Yeah.
and just got the nice hardwood flooring down. It fucking looks nice. It hasn't been done since it was built, but regardless. She bought these two entrance hanging lights.
Yeah.
Son of a motherfucker. Why she spread directions, I have no idea. Because, like a Lennox furnace, their wiring schematics, they're crazy. They're absolutely crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it figured out. It took me,
Yeah.
Joe, was it what you thought it was?
No. Well, you know, I looked in the schematic on this fan,
Yep.
and there is no restrictor plate.
Oh.
It's kind of strange. But I'm shooting for, hey, let's try an inducer motor. Let's see.
problem either.
No, I've taken the burners out. I've checked the orifice sizes. I've went through everything on this thing. Very confused. Ouch. Oh, how did I get that one out of there? Well, give her a shot.
We can't be the only people that have ever had this problem on
No.
Magic Pack.
Alright, let me go get my meter. I'll go outside. Well, if this doesn't work, I'm gonna turn that gas pressure down. But I don't think it's gonna work. Nope. Nope, as soon as I put the meter in there. Hey, Mike! It's crazy. We're gonna give it a shot. This is our restrictor. I'm taking a good guess right there.
That one stinks too. That we just walked by.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, this is great. You might get that out of there and.
Mad scientist.
Well, we'll give it a shot. Yeah, I mean that's all we can do, Jack.
I know.
I don't know. I think Mike was just walking by that other one next door, and that stinks too.
It stinks too.
Yeah. That one ever get a heat exchanger?
I don't think so.
Oh, that one, that was the bottom floor.
Yeah.
That's a dinosaur.
Huh. Yeah, it looks older than this one.
Oh yeah. Yeah, in fact, hers, and I got another one that needs to be replaced. But you know, they don't listen to me when I tell them.
Just disconnect it. Oh yeah, this is like. Oh yeah, right there. Right there. Now we don't know where to put the screws. Here, drill through there. Watch your finger. Oh, that was close to my thumb. Or honestly, that hole is too small in that one plate. I didn't get that. Did I get that other? Oh, yeah. How many? No, I don't have that plate. Where'd that other screw go?
We have to search it.
There it is, right there. Right in front of your right boot. Let me grab the meter and I'll go out there and start it up. Alright, this is just an experiment. Shoot shit out at me. No, it's not gonna work. Feel less pull now. Might not even make the pressure switch now. Oh, it made the pressure switch. Oh no, it made it worse. Nope, made it worse. Might have to call the manufacturer. So this is where the inducer slides in right here. That hole is like 1 inch. The hole on the heat exchanger is like 1.5 inches. So I think we need to cut this bigger. Alright, I got nothing to lose. Nothing to lose. So that 3/4 hole went to that, which matches this. Oh yeah, she's gonna breathe. She's gonna breathe now. I'll tell you that. Got nothing to lose. See that hole back there? Huge. The hole's huge compared to the hole that was in there. I got nothing to lose. If I gotta order parts, I gotta order parts.
I got this if you want it.
We're gonna figure it out, Mike. I've had enough of this shit.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy. We haven't had this happen. It makes me feel better though that I wasn't overlooking something that was obvious.
I don't know, that as soon as I seen that little tiny hole in that thing on this, what is a 60K? I'm trying to think, I'm like, holy, it's like trying to pull, you know, it's drinking out of a straw, you know? Like, you know, you get the little Burger King straws, and then you go over to McDonald's, you get the freaking huge straws. It's the same concept, you know?
What's weird is if this one is doing it,
Yeah.
you would think
There's your stubby.
it's not going to be the only one.
I find it really strange. I ain't got nothing to lose, man. Nothing to lose. Alright, let me start the meter up and go outside.
And, hang out here just in case.
Just in case what?
I have to shut it down or anything.
Then you grab it and shut it down.
I'll just tuck on it.
Watch, now it won't make the pressure switch or something bullshit. Oh, it's going to light. Oh, it's burning good. Before it was like steaming coming out of there. Oh yeah, it's burning perfect. Look at that.
What the?
Oh wait, hold on. We're going up a little, which is. But before, I'd put it in there and pin it. Look at that, Mike.
So that's normal CO.
That's normal.
So there's a plate missing. Or
It's the wrong plate.
Wrong plate.
I just made it the right plate. It's burning peachy. Oxygen's a little high.
You usually want to see that about what, 10?
Yeah. Well, no, take that back. This thing's got those holes at the bottom. It's got the holes at the bottom on the inducer, so you're going to see a little extra oxygen.
For the viewers, what would be not an exceptional CO, which would be
Under 100?
Okay. On the ppm CO,
Yeah,
not
ppm,
air free.
not air free. So that's it. It's had the wrong freaking thing.
Wow. All of them.
See, Mike walked past this one and he said it was stinking too. No. Maybe. Oh yeah, something's going on with this one too. Oxygen's way up, CO. Either I got a hole in the heat exchanger. Something's going on. Something's going on. So that was screwed up. So this has been going on for quite some time. I think there's been 3 heat exchangers in that unit. There's probably 4. There's been the original heat exchanger, someone else replaced a heat exchanger, we replaced a heat exchanger last year, and then we replaced another heat exchanger this year trying to get the CO under control. But no one's ever really put their finger on it, what actually is going on. And for a regular technician, that plate that I drilled out and put that big hole in, that plate came from the manufacturer on the heat exchanger. And the old one is like that too. It's got a little 3/4 1-inch hole in it, and it came from the manufacturer like that. This heat exchanger and the last heat exchanger, you can't even buy that part. There isn't a part number for it. Well, no, take that back. There is, and it does say large hole, but I don't know. Whatever came, I mean, we're just dealing with whatever came from the manufacturer, thinking it's right, but it was totally wrong. And I'm just like throwing it at the wall. There's nothing I can do to try to get it to work. You know, I'm like, I got to get these people heat. They haven't had heat in a while. So, you know, we'll try a new inducer. That inducer was running up to speed. It was fine. But we left the new inducer in there. Just used the other one as a spare. New inducer plate on there, still nothing. I just kept on throwing it at the wall. I had nothing to lose at that point. I'm like, they haven't had heat in a while. If I got to order another part, so be it. There's nothing I can do. And it's in an apartment complex, and it doesn't really get, I mean, it's a first floor, and it doesn't really even get cold in there with having no heat. But sometimes you just gotta hack and slash, get it done. I mean, that's basically what I did. Because after I did that, it ran fine. Ran almost like where it should be. The hole probably could have been bigger by about a 1/4 inch, but it is what it is. And the key to that one was the analyzer. You know, I mean, when it was starting up before, you could smell it, and you could see it was condensing. It wasn't getting all that flue gas out, so it was backing up and it was condensing. And that's a non-condensing appliance, an 80% efficient appliance. So it was starting to condense in the flue. It just wasn't getting the stuff out. So that's when I'm like, just screw it, man. We'll put a big old hole in it, slap it in there, nothing to lose, go for it. And it paid off. You know, sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. I don't know. I'm going to have to contact the supplier and see what the hell's going on. See if they have any of these other heat exchangers in stock with that same hole, because it's dangerous. It's extremely dangerous. And for any other company to say, okay, yeah, we'll replace this heat exchanger, and in our area, 60K BTU HWCs are packaged through the wall units aren't really common. It's the lower ones that are common, the lower BTU ones. Don't really see these 60s. I mean, that's a large unit for what they got going on there. Or they just ordered one. Hey, I can get it, and they put it in. I don't know, but that's what we got to deal with. So basically, that's it for this one. This was kind of a win, but I still got to deal with it with what you want to call it, the supplier, and figure out, see if they got any other heat exchangers in stock that have that hole, because that's, like I said, that's going to be dangerous for another contractor and us, you know, and anyone. It's a bad quality control problem. So, all right, you guys know what you need to do. Hit up the GoFundMe, the Zelle, the Venmo, the Amazon wish list for my son. And sometimes we get these Amazon wish list gifts, and we don't know who gave us what. So if you do send some, hey, send me a message through just on the video or whatever, but so I can give you a thanks. Just most of the time I'm not getting, I don't know who sent this stuff, but highly appreciate it, and whoever I didn't thank you very much. Highly appreciate it. So you guys know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.